This is the harvester. It turns a farmer's market website into database rows that a human approves before they ever go live. AI proposes, a human disposes, and the disposition is measured. This diagram is complete. Here's what it can't show you. An operator kicks off a run with one URL. Stage 1 scrapes the site to Markdown. That's firecrawl. Stage 2 hands the markdown to Claude, which extracts structured JSON. The market, its hours, its vendors. The address goes to the US Census geocoder. And watch the bottom of each stage. Every result lands in the drop zone as a timestamped file, in a folder tracked by Git. The pipeline just spent real money on those 2 API calls. That spend is now frozen on disk. Remember that. And then, nothing. The orchestrator stops on purpose. It does not load. A human opens the extracted JSON and actually reads it. That's gate number 1. Satisfied, the operator runs load. Load validates, deduplicates, and stages the proposal into extraction_reviews, right next to a snapshot of the matching live row. Pending. Not live. In the admin queue, the operator works a side-by-side diff, field by field, accept or override. That's gate number 2. Only on approve does anything touch the live tables. 2 human gates, not 1. Now the drop zone pays off. Say the loader has a bug and mangles every address. Fix the code. Run load again. Watch what doesn't happen. No scrape, no extraction. Firecrawl and Claude stay dark. Load rereads the same frozen JSON from disk, and the rerun costs $0. The expensive, non-deterministic steps ran once. Everything downstream is replayable and free. A month later, the crawler visits the same market again. But last month, the operator fixed this market's address by hand. Here comes the new extraction with a different address, and it bounces. When a human overrides a field, that column is marked sticky on the live row, and the next crawl drops every sticky column from its update. The precedence is strict. Sticky human edit beats review override. Review override beats extracted value. You can recrawl forever. The machine never quietly undoes a human correction. One more thing happens at that approve button. Every approval records a per-field decision, accepted, overridden, or unchanged. Those decisions roll up into a quality score. How many extractions come through clean? Which fields get corrected most? Which sources are trouble? And it's all trended by prompt version. Change the extraction prompt, and the dashboard shows whether the clean rate actually moved or whether you just felt productive. The loop has a memory, and the memory is honest. 4 mechanisms. The drop zone makes every stage replayable. The review gate keeps AI output away from live tables until a human approves it. Sticky fields make human corrections permanent. And the quality score tells you whether the machine is actually getting better. A pipe runs left to right and forgets. This is a loop with a memory.